Alright, this video is for Peter and Michelle. Bunker is out here at Linenvale. Video number 2, we're looking at this downspot right here. There's roots through here. We're going to inspect it to see the severity of the roots and to ensure the rest of the line is flowing and where it's flowing to, as I do believe it flows across the so that is very interesting what that is. There's something that is stuck in the pipe. Its roots just broke through the pipe right there. My camera went by. And I can't get past that. Yeah, we can't see beyond that, but I do see some concerns here with this obstruction or break. Something's wedged or punched through the pipe with roots. So essentially we're going to fix that 90, and then also I believe that 3-inch pipe, 2-inch pipe right there just ejects out in case the rain drain were to fail, which they said they did see water shoot out of that. So I just wanted to verify the extent of the damage, and it looks like we have something protruding through. Roots are broke through the pipe and a massive blockage at the base that needs to be repaired to prevent any flooding into the crawl space. Thank you.